Phonics.
The story of baby bird Kaaf. Do you remember the alphabet stories in reading level 1? Daddy Crow calls out to Mummy Bird in his fat voice. Qaw, qaw, qaw. Mummy Bird hears Daddy Crow calling her and replies in her thin voice. Ka, ka, ka. This is the bird family. Daddy Bird, qaw, qaw, qaw. Mummy Bird, ka, ka, ka. And Baby Bird is hiding in this picture. Can you find Baby Bird? Baby Bird Kaaf sits on Mummy Bird's lap. Did you see Baby Bird Kaaf? That's Baby Bird Kaaf. When Baby Bird Kaaf grows up, it can fly away with its wings. This is what Baby Bird Kaaf looks like. Baby Bird Kaaf sounds exactly like Mummy Bird Kaaf. Baby Bird Kaaf likes to sit at the beginning and middle of words, like this. Baby Bird Kaaf is scared of falling off, so it does not sit at the end of words. Only Mummy Bird Kaaf sits at the end of words. Remember, Baby Bird Kaaf sounds exactly like Mummy Bird Kaaf. Let's read some words. Remember, Baby Bird Kaaf sounds exactly like Mummy Bird Kaaf. Kutiba, yakuni, kakiku. Baby Bird Kaaf loves lamb and likes to sit very close to it. Kuli.
Check out our website to find teaching resources that accompany the Qur'ano Phonics reading program.
Qur'ano Phonics.